Hello, everyone. I'm going to talk briefly about the development of Participatory Autism Research Collective, or PARC for short. PARC was set up to bring autistic people, including scholars and activists, together with early career researchers and practitioners who work with autistic people. We first held a meeting back in April 2015 at London South Bank University. At first, this was just 5 people in a room, so we started with very humble beginnings. And our aim was to build a community network where those who wish to see more significant involvement of autistic people in autism research could share knowledge and expertise. And this group was to be autistic-led and not just for researchers. The initial objectives of PARC were set out to address the isolation felt by many autistic researchers, ensure that research carried out by autistic people could be found and utilised, to raise the reputation of participatory research methods in autism research, and critically comment on autism research, which was not so empowering, shall we say, to autistic people. In order to achieve these objectives, we suggested that PARC would encourage autistic people starting out in the research process, provide peer feedback on research, and where possible, support with accessing funding, and to hold meetings and events, of which we've held many over the years. We have a website which continues to attract good interest, which is easily found, parcautism.co.uk. This was this includes links, to events set up by PARC members and other related material, critical blog posts regarding research and practice in the field. And we've held events in person in London, Birmingham, Sheffield, Nottingham, Glasgow, and Kent before COVID struck, with a wide range of contributors, including international speakers such as Gwen Lawson and Stephen Shaw. Since COVID, we've moved all of our events online, and we've held many online events this year, which have worked really well. And in doing so, helping to build our international connections with groups in other countries and building that network out further. We've also partnered many organisations to run streams at different conferences and events, from very practice-related conference to more academic ones. We've also run our own conferences since 2018, having inputted into one the year before at London South Bank University. And this year we've already run 2 online conferences and some workshops, and running another one, and also partnered conferences like the IARF conference and Playing a Part a couple of years ago. In our own PARC events, we tend to have a very egalitarian ethos, so we tend not to have keynote talks and have everyone given the same amount of time to present, and we try and share as much as possible between everyone involved. We have an ongoing partnership over time with Pavilion Press, and have had a number of publications out through them as a publisher. Some of my own work, edited collections, the work of Susie Ridout and others. We've also edited 2 special editions of the journal Advances in Autism in topics around education. So, thank you for listening.